Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk.
Hey pretty babies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell on. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know what's up. But anyway, today I'm gonna be reviewing this headband wig sent to me by UNice hair. They sent me a 16 inch headband wig. I'm only saying 16 because to me it looks a little bit longer than 16. Y'all can tell me what y'all think, but I think it's a little bit longer than that. Anyway, so they sent me over a 16 inch headband wig, and I'm here to let y'all know the tea because this has been trending everywhere. You know, there's been a lot of hype going on about it. Headband wig this, headband wig that. So, you know, I'm just like, I was a little bit iffy about it at first, but then I was like, you know what, let me just give it a try. So I got my wig from Amazon. It's from UNice, but from Amazon. So they came in this box, it says UNice on the front, and they give you a generous amount of gifts. Okay, first of all, they do give you like 2 extra headbands. This is the first one that I got. I don't know if everybody gets the same color or the same style. And then I got this one, and I'm gonna be real with y'all, I'm not really feeling the headbands. Honestly, they could have just gave it to me in a different color, solid color. I'm not really feeling the headbands, but it is what it is. And then they give you this nice little UNice head wrap. It says the company logo on it, and you can use this when you're doing your edges or whatever the case may be. And then they give you a bald cap, only one. But for this wig, you really don't need a bald cap, honestly, because it's just tracks. There's nothing but cap and tracks, so you really don't need a bald cap. They gave you these little cute little things. Like, y'all remember when we used to use these? We was little girls, just press them on your nails and stuff like that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm not keeping it. And then they give you some really nice lashes. Okay, so these are the lashes that they give you. And I don't know if it's all the same style, but this is the style that I got. Personally, I like my lashes a little bit more dramatic. So if I do wear this, it's not really gonna be too often, but it's nice. And then of course a little UNice baggie, and that's really all you get for the gifts. They do give you quite a bit of gifts, okay? Because usually they give you some lashes or they give you a bald cap and call it a day. So shipping didn't really take too long, you know, being with what's going on and everything like that. Shipping only took me about like a week to get here. So that was good. And the hair quality is actually really nice. This hair is really soft. Like, it's really soft. I got mine in straight, as y'all can see. They do have the straight one. I believe they have body wave curly. I don't know what kind of curly, and afro kinky, I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure how you say it, but they do have different textures of hair that you can order. So I got mine in straight, and this hair does curl really well, but I can say it doesn't hold the curl too long. But I mean, it's nothing to really complain about. It's a headband wig. Like, I wouldn't really expect anybody to do much with this wig anyway. It's a quick throw on and go, and you can easily just take it off. You don't gotta wear a bald cap. I have braids underneath. Some people like to slick their hair back, but I have braids underneath. I was not taking out my braids just to put this wig on. So this would be really good for like your first wig, or if you could even make this into if it's cheaper, of course, because other than that it wouldn't make any sense. But you can make this into a half wig. I heard somebody say that they would just cut off the elastic band, is what you could do, and just use it as a half wig. That's cool too. Do whatever suits you. This wig, it comes with a black headband, and then literally all you do is velcro it in the back, and there's a comb in the front and in the back. It's just one big long comb in the front and in the back, so it's real easy to put on. It's very secure. One thing that I can say though is if you have a bigger head, I would suggest contacting them to see if they have a bigger size, because when you have this on for too long, it starts to hurt. Like, when I say hurt, I just mean like the elastic band or the combs may be a little bit too tight. Yeah, other than that, this hair is really good quality, and I got mine for cheap. I got mine for 90 bucks, under $100. And if you use the code LOVEUNice, I'm gonna put it on the screen, you can save you an extra 6% off your order. So I'm gonna give y'all a coupon code for that, and check the description box for details on the hair below. If y'all really wanna buy it and see what other variations of wigs that they had, I'm gonna link that down below. Honestly, that's really all I have to say about the hair. Like, this review was real quick, short, and simple. There wasn't really much cons about the hair, really, other than the fact that it's a little bit tight on my head, but that's really it. Like, there's nothing wrong with the hair. The hair is good. And remember, it's a headband wig. There is no lace whatsoever. It's just a cap and some tracks. And for a headband wig, I feel like this wig is really full. Like, it's not too thin or anything. It's very full, which I was surprised about, because, you know, it doesn't have a frontal or a closure or anything like that. So yeah. And what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make a separate video on how to style a headband wig. So I'm gonna show you different styles that you can do, the curls, the ponytails, all that extra stuff. So most likely if you're seeing this video, that video is probably already posted up, so go ahead and check out my channel for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can stay in tune with what I post, and I'm gonna be more consistent, y'all. I know I've been going for a month, and guess what, I'm back and I'm better. Like I'm gonna be more consistent. I'm gonna post every single week like I've been doing, and you'll be all good. Want to purchase this hair, all the details will be linked down below, and don't forget to use the coupon code UNice for 6% off of your order. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.